So universal design for learning is a framework that's based on many fields that together make up the learning sciences. And it's really focused on designing from the beginning with a broader range of learners in mind. So not anticipating that everybody's going to interact or understand things in the same ways, but that they're going to need different ways of accessing the information, of engaging with it, of engaging with one another, of wanting to show up in the first place. Accessibility is really our floor. So if you imagine kind of building a house, you're not going to build a house without a good foundation, right? Accessibility is really about, can they access the environment? Can they understand the materials we're giving them?
Another thought is that the barriers are in the environment rather than in the person. And so that we can design for those barriers. We can be proactive in our design if we come into it with that mindset that there is variability and that a one-size-fits-all solution, it's not going to work. We need to create flexible solutions that allow people to customize and personalize how they use the environment to accomplish their goals.
I really was drawn to UDL because it came out of the disability community when the Americans with Disability Act became law and buildings had to be made accessible for folks that have mobility challenges, such as getting curb cuts and automatic doors opening. And what they discovered is that making changes for one slice of the population was actually beneficial for many people. Like, for instance, the curb cuts are beneficial for baby strollers and bicycles, and taking that and then using that same concept in a classroom where you have a variety of students that have disabilities, maybe diagnosed or undiagnosed, learning challenges. So that's usually how I promote it, is that this is going to be beneficial for the majority of your students. And it's really a way of reducing barriers and making learning inclusive for all.